Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're gonna make some roasted beets and radishes with a delicious yogurt dill sauce. This is a fun roasted recipe that's just, it's, super savory with like the radishes and the beets, but that yogurt sauce just adds a nice little bit of tang that I think you're gonna love. Let me show you how to make it. So we start off with our beets. I just have some red beets here. You can use golden beets, whatever one you want. We're gonna toss them with some olive oil, some sea salt, a little bit of cracked pepper, and just mix that until the beets are fully covered with both the oil and the seasoning. So we've tossed the beets with some olive oil and some salt and pepper. Now we're just gonna add them to a baking sheet, and we're gonna roast the beets at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, just till they start to become slightly tender. Then we're gonna add in our radishes. Okay, so while the beets are roasting, now we're gonna prepare the radishes much in the same way. Just a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper. So go ahead and pour some olive oil on there. Get some cracked black pepper. And a little bit of sea salt. And just toss this so the radishes are fully coated with both the oil and the seasoning. Okay, so now we're gonna make the yogurt dressing. It's just really simple. Just a little bit of garlic, a little bit of milk to thin it out. Easy breezy. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of milk to our yogurt. Add in some minced garlic and just whisk that together. I'm gonna add in some salt and pepper. Now you wanna be really careful, just a little bit of salt, just a pinch, because if you add too much, you're gonna taste it. It's really easy to over salt yogurt. I'm just gonna add a little bit of fresh dill. And just give that a try. Perfect. So the beets have roasted for about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna add in our radishes. Let's go ahead and throw them on. Once again, it's really important to have a single layer, so break things up so they're not piling on each other. And then we're gonna roast them for about another 15 minutes. Okay, so the timer went off and the beets and the radishes are ready and they're looking great. I'm gonna pull those out. Okay, so we have our roasted beets and radishes. Just gonna put them on the plate now. Smells so good. And I can hear them scraping against all the chunks of salt, so I'm really excited to eat this. Trying to keep them all on there without losing them. A few little scragglers. Okay, this is looking really good. Now I'm just gonna drizzle the yogurt sauce just a little bit over it, not to drown it. All covered there. Top it off with some cracked pepper. And some sprigs of fresh dill, just to give it a little color. Such a beautiful dish. Great side dish. And hey, if you're vegan, you can just leave the yogurt without, like you don't need that at all. But if you're not, I think you're really gonna like it. Okay, now to give it a try. Let me get one of the radishes here. Looks really good. So good, perfectly salted, slight little tang. This is your next spring side dish. I think you should try it. If you'd like to cook like I do, hey, you know what? I release new videos every single week. So subscribe. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And if you like this dish like I do, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.